Hello, and welcome to this short video about cloud sharing. Cloud sharing is a cool feature in Adlice Diag and RogueKiller that allows you to share your scan reports with people that can help you to clean your machine, like on forums, for example. My machine is currently infected with system error, which is an adware. So I'm gonna run diag and launch the scan. Let's start the scan and see you in a minute. Here we go. So it took about 3 minutes to scan the machine, and now we get results, and we can see the infected elements. Okay, so we have the infected elements here, and we can open the scan report. Let's say I'm a Lambda people and I need some help. A helper on the forum told me to run Adlice Diag, and now he needs the scan report to know what's detected. This is the cloud upload. All you need to do is select the people that is helping you from the list. That list is known helpers that are registered to our cloud website. These are people allowed to make removal scripts. So if the people helping you is not in the list, you can just click upload. If he is, select him and click upload. This will send your report to our website and generate a permalink. So this is the permalink. Let's open it just to see how it looks like. Here we go. So we can see the scan report was created. We have the date of the scan, and we have the assigned helper that I chose from the drop-down list. Remember, only these people, this guy, can make removal scripts. We see that there. So we have a basic summary of the machine, and then we have the full scan results here. So you can recognize all the tabs that I can see into the local report, processes, module, services, registry, etc. So inside processes, we have 2 infected elements. This is the same infected elements here. And you can even see the detection name. And when there is a VirusTool link, you can click on it to open the file inside VirusTool. This one is legit. Okay. This is a very convenient way to share your report because it opens in a very friendly view, and you just have one permalink to share instead of copy pasting on various past services. Everything is here. So now that we've seen what the permalink looks like, it's not really useful for people being helped. At this point, it will probably just close and share the permalink, of course, to the helper, and then just close Diag, because sometimes it takes 1 day or more to get an answer from the helper on the forum. So the OP is usually using his machine just like usual and waiting for an answer. So now let's say I'm on the helper side. I will register on Diag. Okay, so I'm logged with my helper account. As you can see, this is me. This is the permalink the OP sent me, and I can inspect his report just like previously. What will the helper do? It will generate a removal script. What is a removal script? It's some kind of file that will be shared between the website and the local client. And I will show you. I forgot to show you something. Once the OP will come back and reopen Diag, you can tell him to go in history and reopen the last scan report. Since it was uploaded, when you go to cloud upload removal script, it will start to search for scripts online. Okay? And you will see that once the removal script has been pushed online, it will fetch it automatically. Well, it will ask first and then fetch it. So let's create a removal script. So online, every detected element is pre-checked. So it's easier for you. You just have to check everything is properly checked. Um, if you need to add more elements, just check them. These are legit. Don't do that. You have detection colors, red for malware, green for safe, and usually orange for suspicious and gray for unknown. You can also use the filters here to hide legit elements or just show malicious only. So basically just check all the malicious elements you want to remove. There's nothing here. If I remember, only tasks were detected. Everything is pre-checked. Nothing in registry. Nothing here. Okay, so now that it's done, I will just hit removal script. My script is ready. It says to reload the page, which I do. And now there's a new tab here. And you can also see the removal script was created. That action is only allowed if you are the assigned helper. If you're not, you cannot create scripts. So this is what I chose to kill and remove. There's a summary. You can see true processes and a bunch of tasks. You can even download the script. If for some reason the helper doesn't have access to the internet, you can send him the download script here by email to put it on YubiKey or something else. Okay, if you need to edit that script, the only way to do is to create another one. Like, for example, if I want to add this, no, remove this, I just need to recreate it. And you will see there's only one process now in the script. Okay. I want to remove every malicious item, so I'm gonna recheck it. Yeah, it's already pre-checked, so I just hit removal script again to go back on the original script. Here we go. And now, as you can see, the client found removal script on the server and asked for downloading. So I hit yes, it's downloading the script. There is a check for each element put in the script that it's still valid. Um, there is some cases where it could not be valid. For example, if the OP restarted its computer and the script has processes, there is a high chance the PID will have changed. So these elements won't be valid anymore. It's not a problem. The script will perform anyway. The only thing is that those two processes are probably still running because they were restarted. So it's better to make a scan and removal at the same time. Don't reboot between. So now the script is loaded. I just need to review. Everything is valid. This is what I'm gonna remove. And now I just hit apply script. I'm going to show you what it does in real time. Just to be clear, this is the OP side, okay? This is the infected machine. Killed. It killed my window that you can see has disappeared and also removed all the tasks. You can even upload the removal results for the helper just so he knows what went wrong or good. And if you go back on the helper side, you will see the removal report was created and there's a new tab. Inside, you can see the results, my process were killed, and my tasks were removed. The helper knows everything went okay and can just ask the OP if the machine is still behaving properly. So now the full workflow is done. We have done a scan and a removal. Everything has been done through the sharing of a permalink. I just shared it once and everything else is done automatically. No need to share long reports on past services. You just copy and paste the permalink. It can be done privately. Okay, this ends my video. I hope you enjoyed it and see you next time.